So thank you, ladies and gentlemen. We've reached the conclusion of another Pluralsight module, and I really thank you for staying to the end to watch this. When we go back, we're going to have a look at what we've taken a peek at during this module, and we've seen a little bit of the mounting and unmounting of the file system, so the mount and umount command. Remember, the use of mount by itself without any options or arguments will allow you to see the mounted file systems. We've also differentiated between the fstab file and the mtab file. Remember, the mtab file is what we can read from when we're using the mount command by itself. But we have both the etc mtab file and the /proc/mounts file, which again, both of which show us our mounted file systems. We've also been through and identified those different fields within the etc fstab file, so we've seen then how we can write into our fstab file and make sure that we've known the values. And even though commonly when we're looking at the last field for the file system check pass, often we only ever use a value really of 0, 1 or 2. If we want to check our file system serially, we can use as many numbers as we really need to process all of our file systems individually and in series rather than parallel. We also then looked at how we can create a swap file for use of virtual RAM. Remember, we can use the fallocate command, or quite simply just use the dd command. But it does need to be owned by root, and the permissions do need to be 600. So read writable by that user owner, Mr. Root. Well, with this one closed, and we're throwing everybody out now, so please empty your glasses and leave by the main doors. Next up, we'll be taking a look at maintaining a Linux file system, so make sure you follow on and take a look at that module.